Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make the back post half double crochet stitch. All you're going to need for this tutorial is some yarn and a crochet hook. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. For the body of my test swatch, I am using regular half double crochet stitches, and in the row that I'm currently working, I have made 2 chains over here, and I've made 1 regular half double crochet stitch into the first stitch. So now I'm going to show you guys the back post version. You're going to start by yarning over your hook. You're going to insert your hook in between these 2 stitches right here. You would normally work right here into the top of the stitch, but you're actually going to be working in between the stitches into this open spot right here. So you're going to insert your hook through the back. You're going to go around this half double crochet post into this other open space next to it. You're going to grab that yarn from behind your work, pull it around that post. You then should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over like a regular half double crochet, and you're going to pull it through all 3 of those loops. Okay, so in the next stitch right here, I'm going to work a regular half double. So again, with the post half double, you're going to insert your hook from the back of your work into this open space. You're going to go around this half double post right here through this next open space. Grab that yarn from behind your work, and you're going to pull it around that post. You're then going to have 3 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's just a regular half double. Again, this is where you're going to be inserting your hook. You're going to go around this stitch right here. You're going to grab that yarn from in between these 2 stitches from the back. You're going to pull it through around that post. Then you're going to have 3 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook. Go around this post right here into this next open space. You're going to grab that yarn from behind and pull it around that post. You're going to have 3 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Alright, so again, you're going to be working in between these 2 stitches right here. You're going to go around that post, grab that yarn, pull it through around that post, bring it through the back, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So this is how the stitch is going to look. You can see that there's some texture here, how this is sort of raised. I will show you guys the back, how it's going to look. You can see there's texture here. It looks like the regular half doubles that I had made in between them are more forward than the back post ones are more like recessed into the work. It's great to add some texture or any ridges that you would like to projects. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any suggestions on future videos that you would like to see. Follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great day.